Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I just got my Sephora haul. I placed an order at Sephora during the Sephora VIB sale and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I just did a huge makeup purge in my collection, so I really wanted to kind of restock and get different brands that I hadn't really ever tried. So I'm super excited, and just to let y'all know, I only got 10% off, so I didn't really get that much of a discount. So all of these things, I feel if they're good, then you don't have to feel like I got a huge discount. I swear it was only like 10%, like it was like $5 or something. But anyways, I still wanted to share what I picked up. I'm so excited. I haven't really been doing like that much makeup shopping. So yeah, okay. So the first thing, I already actually opened this. Like I just peeked in there. I didn't really open everything, but I just wanted to show them to you guys anyways. And I will make sure to do like a first impressions if any of these things end up being really good. So yeah. Okay, the first thing I got is a part of the Sephora Favorites little collection things that they do. I love the Sephora Favorites because they always put like very popular items into a little bag like this, and it's always like the best value because this was $32 and it was a value of $86. So I think that's a steal, and it has a lot of different brands that I wanted to try, and it was all clean makeup brands. I've been really into kind of more clean makeup just because, I don't know, I'm getting older and I'm more conscious about what I put on my face. And so I got this, and this is what it comes in. I already opened it. I just wanted to see what the stuff inside looked like, but I'm going to share what the things that are in here are. So the first thing I see is this Merit. Is this like a lip gloss? It's a Merit tinted lip oil in the color Marrakesh. It's this really pretty like reddish color, and look at this packaging. Doesn't it look so pretty and fancy? I just like high-end packaging is so pretty. And so it's a lip oil, and it's this really pretty like reddish color. I wonder what it looks like on the lips. Let me see. It's like a red lip like that. I want to try it on. I'm wearing just like a lip liner. Let me try it on. It doesn't smell like anything, but it does feel very hydrating. So I'm excited to try this out, and I guess it doesn't have a scent because it's clean. I don't know, but I'm excited about that. The next thing in here is the Kosas, what is this? The Kosas 10-second eye gel watercolor eyeshadow in the color Heat. And it's this really pretty, kind of like rose gold-ish kind of liquid eyeshadow. I have been really enjoying liquid eyeshadows and stick eyeshadows. The Rare Beauty kind of like eyeshadow like this is really nice, but this is what this looks like. It's a really pretty like pinky, it's like frosty pinky color. I think this will just be really nice for, I think this will just be really nice for summer when you don't want to do a lot and you just want to, you know, put something on your eye. So I'm really excited about that. And these two items, the Kosas, gel watercolor eyeshadow, and then the Merit, this Merit lip oil are full size. So this is really, really good. Two full size products. All right. And then the next thing in here is this Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I think it was Tati saying that this is basically just water. So I'm really happy that I didn't purchase like a full-size product of this. I will definitely try it out, but I think she was saying that this is just water. And I'm looking at the ingredients, and all it has is water, sodium chloride, and hypochlorous acid. So I don't know what this is supposed to do or if this is any good, but I'm excited to try it out. Let me see what it says. Yeah, it's just I guess a facial spray for like when your skin is feeling like it needs hydration. Actually, let me try this on. it doesn't smell like anything. So do clean brands just not have scents? Is that a dumb question? I'm assuming they don't. But okay, moving on. I'm super excited about this. This is the Say, what is this called? The Say Beauty Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. I've been hearing so many good things about the Say brand, and I wanted to try their bronzer, but I have a bronzer right now that I'm kind of currently using. And I also saw that people love their blushes, and they also like this product. So it's just like a facial illuminator, and I've really been enjoying using these types of products. Right now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury one, but I'm running out and it was sold out during the sale. So I am excited to try something different. It's gonna be really hard to tell, but it has like a rosy scent. But from what I can see, it gives a really pretty type of sheen on the skin, very watery. So you could probably put this on like before foundation maybe, or just like mix it in with your foundation, and it gives a really nice glow. I don't know if you can see that, but and it makes your, like, it's making my hand feel super soft. So I am very excited to try that, and I can see it has like little shimmer in it, but not too bad. So really excited. Is this full size? No, this is not full size, but it looks like it has a lot of product. So excited to try that. The next thing in here is this Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. It's always good to have mascaras on hand. So this is in the color After Midnight. I'm assuming it's just a black mascara. And I'm currently using the Ilia Skin Tint. So I really like the brand, and I'm excited to just keep trying more things from them. Okay, and then the last thing in here, oh, I didn't even realize this was in here. Okay, this is from, what brand is this? Okay, this is from the brand Huda Beauty, and it's the Lip Quip in Come Through. And so I guess it's just like a lip gloss. I've been really into like lip oils, lip glosses, things like that. So, oh, this is pretty. It's just like, and this is definitely mini size, but it's just a really pretty kind of corally kind of lip gloss. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, it's a lip oil, sorry. So another lip oil. I'm into that. I'm really into, yeah, just like lip balms, lip oils, and like today, I just put on a lip liner, and then I put like some lip balm earlier, and now I'm wearing this one, but, oh, it kind of looks pretty in the camera. I like it. Okay, so that's this. I feel like this is a great deal. I really wanted to get another Sephora Favorites little packet, but I didn't do it because I didn't need it. It was more of like body products, so I didn't get it, but I'm excited to try these things out, and I will let you guys know if they work out or if they don't. So, okay, the next thing I got is from Huda Beauty, and it is the Glowish bronzer. I've been seeing a lot of people really like this bronzer, and I needed a bronzer because I have a lot of cream bronzers, but I needed something to kind of set my bronzer. And so I heard a lot of good things about this, but I can already tell that it is not in the right color. So I'm bummed about that, but I got it in the mini size version because I wanted to just try it. This was $17, and I got it in the medium color, which I thought it would work because it said it was for medium to tan skin tones, and I'm still gonna try it, but I think I'm gonna have to return it. I like the packaging, it's really pretty, but I just think it's a little too light for me because I did swatch this a second ago, and it swatches so lightly, like you can't even really see that on my skin. I don't even know where I put it. Yeah, I think it's just too light. So I'm gonna have to get like a color up, and I think that will work. This is probably for someone who has lighter skin than me, but it does feel really soft, and I really wanna try it. I'm just bummed because they don't sell the mini size on like in a Sephora, so I'm gonna have to ship it back, and that's annoying. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'll let you guys know when I get my actual color how I like it, but I've heard like super great things about this product. So there's that. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the color Caramel. I've really been wanting, I don't know, like I just have really been liking a more simple eyeshadow look. Like if you can see right now, I have eyeshadow on, but it's not a lot. And I really like my Makeup Mario eyeshadow palette because it gives me just like such an easy wash of color, and I've really been liking that. But I really I've always wanted to try these caviar sticks, and I just never did. It's just a really pretty brown color, and I think it's perfect for every day. I think this will be a really pretty, yeah, just everyday brown color. I think I got the wrong one because originally I had seen another one and it was like a different type of brown. So I do like this color though, and I think it will look really pretty. But I'm thinking when I go return that bronzer, I might look for one that has, like I want it to be matte, but maybe has like a little bit of shimmer in it. Not metallic, I do want a matte, but I saw one that was a different color. So I'm just gonna see, because it was hard to tell online which one, you know, was a good pick, but I'm really excited to try it, and it feels super like soft and easy to use. So just gonna check to see what other colors they have, but I'm super excited for this for like every day, especially in summer. I think it's gonna look good. Okay, the next thing I got is more lip products. I was like really into, I guess, lip products this sale, but I ended up getting the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the color Vanilla Beige. I've already used this and I really, really like it. It makes my lips feel so soft, and it doesn't leave your lips with that like weird, you know, like white border. It really does give you a pretty, like it gives you a pretty wash of color, but then it also does hydrate your lips. So I'm gonna show you guys what color this is. It's really pretty. It's also kind of like a lip-ish oil. Lip-ish, that's not a word. But it's this one right here, and I wear it without like any lip products on or anything. So yeah, I've just been putting this on so many times throughout the day. I feel like I'm gonna run out of it pretty quickly, and it is pricey. It's like $20 for this, but again, I don't know, I feel like ever since I got lip filler, I've been trying to take care of my lips a little bit more because they went through some stuff, you know? So I do recommend this because I've been using this, so I really like it, and it smells good. Yeah, it smells really good. So, okay, the next thing, hold on, I need water. The next thing that I have is this LYS. I got two products from the LYS line. I've been seeing them all over like YouTube, and so I really wanted to try them. And the one thing I picked up is this Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. I actually used this today because for some reason this came in before all of this stuff came in, and I'm wearing it today and I really, really like it. I think it is, I don't know if it's full coverage. I wouldn't say it's like Tarte Shape Tape full coverage, but it is pretty full coverage. The only thing I don't like, okay, the packaging is really nice. Like obviously it's like really pretty, but it's so like this thing is really long. So when you put it back in here, you really got to put it in. So, I mean, that's not a big issue. But I did notice that. But I really like it. It is really brightening, and I think you can build up the coverage. So I'm so excited about this. And this was only, I think this was only like $18 or maybe less, which I think is pretty good for a high-end beauty brand. The whole brand is really affordable, I feel, and people love it, and so I'm excited, and the packaging is really cute. I'm excited to continue using this, so I definitely recommend this because I've already been trying it, and I have it in the color MN1. So there's that. Okay, the other thing I got from Lys Beauty is one of their blushes, because I heard a lot of people really like them, and I was gonna get the bronzer. Instead of getting this one, I was gonna get the bronzer version of this, but I wanted to try this, so I'm really bummed that this isn't gonna work out and like I have to go return it. But I got the blush in the color Kindness, and it says that it's a satin matte cream blush, and look at this packaging. Like they have the cutest packaging, the little triangle. And then I won't blind you with the mirror, but it looks like this. It's a really pretty coral, like a coral pinky color. And, well, no, just a coral, I would say. And I think this is my favorite color for blush. I keep trying to experiment with other blush colors, but this is just what I like. And so I'll show you guys what it looks like or how it swatches. It's this one right here. It's really pretty. I think it's gonna be perfect for like spring and summer. So I'm really excited about that, and it feels super creamy. So excited about this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to just like have new makeup because I really just have been using old stuff. Not old stuff because I have been trying to re-up, but yesterday when I like purged all these like old things that I had from BoxyCharm, it just felt really good, you know? Okay, the next thing I got is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops. I've tried these before and I actually returned them, not because I didn't like them, but because at the time we were still wearing masks, and I was like, why did I just buy a new foundation if I'm wearing a mask every day? But I wanted something like light coverage for summer, but that gave me like a filtered look, and I remembered that these drops did that. I almost got the Kosas foundation because I've been hearing a lot of good things about that, but I wanted to try these instead. So I got these in the color 8, which I feel like is kind of light, but I think it's okay because I will, you know, obviously I wear bronzer and stuff, but I remember really liking this. And just see, it's kind of light though. I'm bronzed right now, like I did a self tanner. I think it'll be fine. But I remember this having like the most pretty filtered look, and I just put it on top of that Say glowy like glowy highlighter, and it looks really pretty. So I'm excited to try these two items together. So excited to have these again. Hopefully I like them. If not, I do want to try the Kosas foundation. Okay, so the last thing I got is a Anastasia lipstick, satin lipstick in the color Praline, and I think this is a limited edition lipstick. I think that's what I saw on the website. But I remember liking Anastasia lipsticks. Well, I used to use the liquid lipsticks, but I don't use liquid lipsticks anymore because they're way too drying for me. So I wanted to try, I just wanted to try one of their satin lipsticks, and this one looks really pretty. I love the packaging, and it's like this pinky color. It kind of reminds me of MAC Velvetetti a little bit, but I'll show you a swatch. It is very satiny. It feels like super satiny, but it does look a little pinky, and I usually don't like pinky toned lipstick colors, but I'm gonna keep it because it seems like really just satiny, and I have plenty of other like nude lipsticks, so it's always good to have like a little, you know, a pinky colored lipstick in your collection. So yeah, so that is everything that I got. I don't think I got, I mean, that much, I guess, but I really just am so happy I got this little thing because it came with all this awesome stuff. So I'm really excited to try all of these items, and I will definitely let y'all know if these items are worth the hype, especially like the LYS stuff and then this glowish bronzer once I get my right color. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I got, or if you have any recommendations for videos that you would like to see. Please let me know, and I would be more than happy to film those for you. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.